Are you looking for an iPhone repair ticket system? Global Ticket System provides a structured, automated way to manage customer repairs, track progress, and improve service quality. Whether you run a small repair shop or a large service center, implementing the right repair ticket system can transform your workflow and enhance customer satisfaction. There's a couple of reasons why we decided to make this ticket system. The first problem that I ran into was all of the other repair ticket systems were way too expensive. They wanted me to pay $70 plus a month just to track my customers, how much they needed to pay, and those kind of things. So that's why we created Global Ticket System. It is the number one cheapest iPhone and computer repair ticket system available. Give us a try today at globalticketsystem.com.